2014 Ford F-150 FX4 5.0 liter V8. What we got done on it, stock converters, as usual, there and there. Then it wise into a single. He didn't want it too loud. He's scared of his wife, I guess. But we ain't gonna say that much more about that. It's got a FLOWMASTER 40 series, and we put a FLOWMASTER 40 series on it for him. 2 1/4 tailpipes into 3.5 inch black tips by 18. This side and this side rolled. FLOWMASTER number is 40402. If you guys want it, we'll have a link in the description for it. And that's it. There it is. That's what it looks like. 40 series with black tips. And there's the muffler we took off and tailpipe. There it is. Oh, it's got a nice sticker on it too. Let you guys hear it in a second. Ford F-150. That 5.0 never disappoints, man. Sound decibels, they moved it. It's about 101. That's perfect. I like it. It's not too loud, not too quiet. It breaks in about 30 days. Gets a little bit louder. Okay. Just a little bit, like 10% more. Nothing drastic.
Like
yeah,
like a good.
That's clean tip. They're really clean. That sounds good. I like it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. And it's just too much plastic. The Raptor's neat. 5.0 F-150. Really, FX4. Really nice truck. Really nicely done. Not overly done, just clean. Like the wheel setup too. They're really nice.